आज हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल के बारे में टोटल इंफॉर्मेशन समझेंगे कि व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल and what is the future of electric vehicle in India. So as you all of you know, we are moving towards electric vehicle technology. First, we are having mobility using manpower, that is a cycle. After that, we go for IC engine, which is run on diesel and petrol. Before that, we had fuel that is called coal. Some engine railways are started with coal. Nowadays, all that fossil fuel created pollution in our atmosphere, and cost of that fuel is going very high. So today we need some sustainable technology which can uh, give us the best economical support, and also it should be support to our climate. So for green technology, we are now moving towards electric vehicle, and also the vehicle charging station is under a process of solar charging. So currently we are moving towards electric vehicle technology. Anyone can tell me what is about you know about electric vehicle technology? Students,
Hello.
yeah, what you know about
Good evening, sir.
technology?
My name is Shabrish, and as you asked to tell what we know about electrical vehicles, so I can just only say that electrical vehicles are the vehicles which run on batteries, not on fuels and any kind of thing. What I know about electrical vehicles are four types of vehicle which I have discovered, which I have researched. That is battery electrical vehicles, hybrid and plug-in and fuel cell vehicles.
Right? What is
And
the what is basic advantage of electric vehicle over other fuel based, that is CNG, petrol and diesel?
basic advantages of using electrical vehicles other than fuel engines are, pollution causes, and secondly, eco-friendly, environmental friendly thing.
Right. Right, very good. Now we move towards electric vehicle technology and learn the basic of electric vehicle, which type of electric vehicle available in market, what companies are there, they can come in electric vehicle technology. This is a topic which we are going to cover in today's session. That is what is electric vehicle ecosystem, history of electric vehicle, air quality in India city, carbon emission, number of death due to pollution, major factor that affect electric vehicle, comparison between electric vehicle and petrol vehicle, electric vehicle policy roadmap in India, recent state policy, EV policy in major Indian state, market overview, key player in India, EV sale in India, electric vehicle sales in India in financial year 2021, electrical vehicle component industry growth in financial year 25. India's standing in world position, where India actual make their position in electrical vehicle market, key player of electrical vehicle markets, EV infrastructure, then electrical demand and grid capacity, impact of electricity demand and grid capacity, and finally we conclude our session. So there is a 22 topic which we are going to cover in 31 slides. Okay, are you ready for learning the electrical vehicle technology?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, just we move. What are electric vehicles? Basically, electric vehicle is a vehicle which can run on electricity. That electricity will stored in a battery, and from battery the electric power is transmitted to our motor, and with the help of acceleration controller we can move our vehicle. In this vehicle we are not use any fossil fuel which can create pollution in our atmosphere. So electric vehicle is seen as a possible replacement for the current generation automobile in near future to understand environmental challenges. What is the advantage of using electrical vehicle? It will be inspired by road going automobile powered by electricity, propelled by one electric motor or using more batteries. Electric motor give instant torque and smooth acceleration. Plug-in electric vehicle are fast, fun and efficient. Maintenance is simple and cheaper. You know, one of the best technology the electric vehicle use. If you go for any traditional petrol or diesel based engine, there are around 1.2 lakh components in single automobile which can run on petrol or diesel. The small components are there. There is a very heavy mechanical components are there in engine operated electric engine operated vehicle, that is a crank, connecting rod, crankshaft, a spark plug, there is in gearbox there are multiple mechanical components are there. And when we move towards electric vehicle, there is only 25,000 parts. That means one fifth of the actual engine based vehicle is converted into one fifth, that is a 25,000 components are there in a regular electric vehicle. We are 100% replace the IC engine, which is having maximum component. There is a no silencer, so no exhaust system is needed in electric vehicle. So this is the basic advantage. It is a very instant torque. In our petrol or diesel engine, it will take some time to generate that much torque. But in electric vehicle, it is run on voltage and current. So demand of current and voltage is supplied by battery, and on the base of acceleration, you can generate instant torque and smooth acceleration. There is no jerk coming in electric vehicle when it will start from zero. So this is the main advantage of a electric vehicle. Now ecosystem of EV. EV means electric vehicle system. What is the ecosystem? The ecosystem which we are going to talk in this slide, that is what parameter is going to control overall business of electric vehicle technology based vehicles. It is the key system players are there and major trends. The consumer, data flow, finance, insurance, technical research and development, climate change, and policies. These are a key system which is going to play a role for ecosystem of EV. Again, major trends in electric vehicle is vehicle information. That is, there is a lithium ion battery which can use to store electricity. It is a renewable, it should be renewable power based. That we are using solar technology to charge that battery. Then a smart grid are going to set up for specially charge the electric vehicle system. Along with a smart grid, we need a grid storage, that is battery bank at a particular location where in the daytime solar will charge the battery, and when we need that electricity, we just take our vehicle at a charging station, and whatever electricity generated from solar, it will be stored in battery, and at a time night time when there is no sun, we can use that electricity and transfer that electricity from lithium ion battery to our electric vehicle. So this is major trends of electric vehicle in developing electro system. Now, history of electric vehicle. The electric vehicle is not a development of 1 year or 2 year. From last many years, people are going to R&D, and they study and they improve the system. before coming off that lithium ion battery, we have lead acid battery. There is a multiple disadvantages of lead acid battery. Only because of storage system, the electric vehicle came very late in our market. So what is the history of electric vehicle? Now we can see the first electric vehicle is developed in 1837, and that is run by lead acid battery. There is a limitation of lead acid battery, that battery is very heavy, and storage capacity of that battery is very low. So continuous people are working on motor. At that time we are using DC motor. Efficiency of motor is very low, torque carrying capacity is very high, and cost of that system is at that time is very low. From 1837 we move towards 1884, and there is a more than 40 years, inventor Thomas Parker create the first manufacturing electric automobile in London. So they had created buggy type electric vehicle in London. After that, in 1890, the first electric car was produced in Iowa, USA by William Morrison. The car is a little more than the electrified wagon. This six-seater has a top speed of only 14 miles per hour. So you can see in the right side at USA in 1890 they had developed a four-wheeler with a speed of 14 miles per hour. So after that development, this research and development not going to satisfy the individual needs, because the technology which is coming at that time is not going to fulfill the basic requirement. So we move ahead and develop the car which we can see in current market. You can see this is a basic system by which electric vehicle will be moved. Non-chargeable batteries. In 1830s we are having non-chargeable battery. That means once you put that battery in our electric vehicle, it will run on that battery for only single time, just like our old time torch. We put the torch after a battery drain, we should replace that battery. In 1859 we are generated R&D on chargeable batteries. After that, we are a deploy of electric power transformer in 1890, and the main tilting point in the electric vehicle is lithium ion battery. The advantage of lithium ion battery, the power density, the storage power density is very high, and its weight is very low, and it will be not gone under a deep discharge. That means if complete electricity is consumed from consumed by electric vehicle, it will again recharge, and multiple cycles are there. The basic life of lithium ion battery is around 3000 cycle. That means this battery will be 3000 time charge and discharge. And when we compare with lead acid battery, the life of acid battery is only 300 cycles. So the efficiency will increase by 10 times using lithium ion battery. So currently in a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler, we are using lithium ion battery. And in current four-wheeler, we are working with the lithium phosphate battery. The difference between lithium ion battery and lithium phosphate battery is you can see in a YouTube video, when we you can see when we puncture the mobile battery, it will be blast. And even you heard about some accidents are there because of blasting of mobile phone battery. So in 2 years ago, the mobile company had developed a lithium ion battery. The problem with the lithium ion battery is that if any place it will be heated or it will be punctured, it will be suddenly blast. But lithium phosphate battery are liquid based battery. If even we can puncture that battery, it doesn't blast. It is a 100% safe, and it is a blast proof battery. Now all electric vehicle are using this type of battery, which is not going to under any accident condition, not going to blast. So there is again some battery modification is there. Some magnesium based battery is coming. There is a silver ion based battery also coming in market, but currently cost of that battery is very high, but power density is much more than lithium ion and lithium phosphate battery, and number of cycle of that batteries are beyond 10,000. So replacement of lithium ion battery is around 7 to 8 year. Lithium phosphate battery will be replaced after 10 year. Manganese based battery and silver ion based battery are replaced after 15 year. So major cost of in electric vehicle is the cost of battery replacement. So continuous R&D is going on electric vehicle to improve the charging capacity and quality of battery. Okay. Now air quality in Indian cities. If you see the pollution level in India is very high. If we go by numbers, then you can see according to Greenpeace research, air quality in India, largest city is deteriorating at an alarming rate. In India, Delhi is most polluted city. So the figures are there. You can see Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Lucknow. In our graph, Delhi crosses uh, 50,000 estimated death in India. And when we go some number which is shown in right side, that is out of 30 most pollutant city of the world are in India. That means if we select 30 most pollutant city in worldwide, then 22 cities are alone in India. So you understand how much pollution we are created using fossil fuel and diesel and petrol based automobile. Second, 41% of NOx emission in Delhi were due to vehicle in 2020. In 2020, they research that, and they see that 41% of NOx is very nitrogen dioxide is very dangerous for human health, and 41% of NOx is generated only because of vehicle which is running on petrol and diesel, and 23% of PM 2.5 emission in Delhi were due to vehicle. Any question? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah, please. Anyone have any question?
No, sir.
No, na?
No, sir.
What we do,
No,
we
sir.
complete our session, and after in at the end there is a 15-minute question answer session is there, and that time you ask. Now what you do, whatever question are coming in your mind, just write in notepad. So at the end we are going to discuss on question and answer. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
Students
Okay, sir.
respond whenever sir is asking something.
Okay. Now carbon emission. What is the carbon emission method? There is a internal combustion. It is generated up to 15% of carbon emission. Natural gas and biofuel burning will generate 10 to 30%. Hybrid and fuel based electric vehicle, then fully electrical, and the finally the technology coming from internal combustion to hydrogen technology. Anyone heard about hydrogen technology? In future we are going to run all vehicle using hydrogen. The hydrogen is generated from water, and we had ample amount of water on our earth. So next generation automobile or any power generation is go through hydrogen. Even our Nitin Gadkari sir had launched one hydrogen vehicle, and all testing is going on. Now our age is fully electrical. So in carbon reduction potential, when we go for hydrogen, then 100% carbon is going to reduce, because after conversion into energy, the hydrogen react with the oxygen and it will be converted into water. So it is a self-sustainable model in that we take energy from water and finally it again converted into water. So this is a technological stage where we are starting from internal combustion, the natural gas and biofuel. That is, you heard about CNG and LPG gas. After that, we move hybrid. In hybrid, we use fuel and electricity combined. And then now our age is fully electrical, and in future all the vehicle will run on hydrogen technology, and we reduce maximum carbon emission which is generated from automobile industry. Now, number of death due to pollution. Here you can see maximum countries are shown in this graph, where they can show millions of death in particular countries in sequence wise. So here you can see Philippines, Brazil, Congo, USA. USA are having 0.15 million death due to pollution. Russia having more pollution than other. And second level, there is a China. China having 1.83 million death. But when you see, the India is the most polluted country, and in India, the death rate is 2.51 million. So it is very much necessary for us to move towards electric vehicle technology and reduce the pollution. So when we reduce the pollution, the number of death and the people are suffering from lungs disease, there is a chances of cancer due to pollution. So it is our responsibility to promote electric vehicle technology in India, and in future all the vehicles should be converted into electric vehicle. Now, major factor that attract electric vehicle, you should go electricity due to this major factor. There is a four major factor which will be motivate us to move towards electric vehicle technology. First is reliability and flexibility. The electric vehicle technology is very reliable because there is a minimum number of component. When you compare in diesel or a petrol vehicle, there is a 1,25,000 component. As the component is higher in number, then there is always maintenance part is there, wear and tear is there. When there is the number of component is less, at that time you easily understand that wear and tear is low and maintenance is also low. Second is affordability. Affordability means electric car are less expensive to fuel and maintenance. There is a fuel cost is very low, and maintenance is also very low as compared to any other vehicle. Obviously, now technology is new. The average cost of electric vehicle is more than diesel or petrol vehicle. But in the long run, in a 25-30 years run, the petrol cost and electricity is incomparable. If we are moving by 50 kilometer by electric vehicle and by petrol vehicle, then cost is almost 1/5 to 1/8, depend of type of electric vehicle. So it is always in the running cost is very low and maintenance is very low. And growing, third main point is growing infrastructure for electric vehicle. You can plug your car in a right at home. That means there is no need to take your car any always at a petrol pump, because your house is itself as a fuel station for electric vehicle. So no need to go and stay in queue. You can charge your electric vehicle anywhere. There is a smart chargers are there where you can fast charge your electric vehicle. And last but most important is public health. Public health is very important. As you see in previous slide, there is a million of people are die because of pollution. So it is a social responsibility to convert all petrol diesel consuming vehicle into electric vehicle. So these are more major four factor which will attract electric vehicle industry to implement in any country. Now you can see there is a comparison chart. Comparison between electric vehicle and petrol vehicle. Difference between battery powered vehicle and petrol vehicle can be understood with the given table. You can see in the table there is a battery based electric vehicle, and carbon emission is a 2.00 megaton AMD 5 years. Apart from CO2 emission, owning a battery vehicle is cheaper compared to petrol vehicle, and other costs such as running cost, maintenance cost also lower than petrol vehicle. So why we move towards electric vehicle? It is a simple. It is a carbon emission is very low, and cost of vehicle is still little bit high, but running cost as compared to petrol vehicle is very low. So it is a time to move towards electric vehicle. Okay. Government initiative and policies. It is a major responsibility of government that they should give us some subsidy at the time of purchase of electric vehicle. There is some subsidy also given in your electric bill, which we are going to take charge for electric vehicle. So government is continuous working on electric vehicle technology, and need to support people by subsidy and some benefit. So it is a responsibility, major responsibility of government to promote electric vehicle. This is the electric vehicle policy roadmap. From 2010, we moved 2012, 13, 15, 19, and now after 3 years of COVID, we are now at a entry of 2023. So lastly, FAME second comes from 1st of April 2019. The Union Cabinet approved the outlay of Indian rupees 100 billion and tax benefit of 5% on electric vehicle and charger. So government give us a subsidy, some tax benefit. So it will attract people to go with electric vehicle. Okay. Now recent state policies. First one is the Delhi electric vehicle policy. In that by 2024, the goal is of 25% of new car registration should be electric vehicle. So in Delhi, there is a major city which is having more and more pollution. So there is now they are having one rule that vehicle which is cross 10 year are banned at Delhi, and they are rewarding 30,000 rupees per vehicle as a subsidy point of view at the time of purchase of electric vehicle. This is the policy at Delhi. Second, Maharashtra electric infrastructure vehicle policy. The target to increase number of electric vehicle registration in Maharashtra to 5 lakh throughout the course of 5-year policy. So their investment of USD 3.4 million for the manufacturing of electric vehicle. In Uttar Pradesh electric vehicle manufacturing and mobility policy 2019, rolling out 1 million electric vehicle combined across all the segment by 2024. So all state in India are moving towards electric vehicle, and they are providing support and subsidy and tax benefit at state level to promote electric vehicle technology in their individual state. Now EV policy in major Indian state. There is a Tamil Nadu electric vehicle policy, Gujarat electric vehicle policy, Karnataka electric vehicle policy. So all policies are written here. After completion of this seminar, I will send you this presentation. You go through the presentation and whatever theoretical part is there, because this is only theoretical for understand. You can read, and if any doubts is there, you can ask on the WhatsApp. So we move ahead with our technology. Electric vehicle market in India. So there is very big market of electric vehicle in India. In 2019, market size is 1,027 dollars, and in 2025 it will increase by 13,833 dollars, and market growth rate is around 54%. That means the company which came with the electric vehicle uh, in the worldwide market, their growth of more than 50%. So it is a very big growing industry. The people who came as early can earn more amount of money using electric vehicle technology. Key player in India, there is a different type of electric vehicle you can see in market. There is a two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, bus, and heavy vehicle. In two-wheeler, the best companies are ACE, Ajanta Manufacturing, Ampere you heard, Avon Cycle, BPG, BSA, Cheris Motor, Eco, then other Hero Honda, and Mahindra and Mahindra, Okinawa. These are more into two-wheeler manufacturing. When we move towards a three-wheeler, then Bajaj Auto, Electro, Thumb, Mahindra and Mahindra are there. They are coming with auto rickshaw. But a major player in that is Bajaj Auto and Mahindra. In four-wheeler, Mahindra and Mahindra is there, and in bus there is a Volvo, and in heavy vehicle there is also Volvo are there for electric vehicles. So big player are coming in electric vehicle technology. Tata also had started. You heard about Tesla. In a further slide, we see which are major key player in electric vehicle industry. You can see here the sale, electric vehicle sale in India. So from 2015 to 2020, you can see there is a continuous growth of sale in electric vehicle. From 2017-18, it will be around 50,000. But as you see, two-wheeler sale and four-wheeler sale in 2019 and 20 is 1,52,000 two-wheeler, and 3,400 four-wheeler are there. So it is a continuous improving stage. So there is a very big opportunity are waiting for all of you after completion of your 11th, 12th. There is a very big opportunity when you go in engineering. The electric vehicle technology is one of the best technology which can move towards individual growth. So from today, we are just seeing how electric vehicle market is there, what is the technology is there. After understanding, you can set your vision, you can set your goal that in future you can move towards electric vehicle technology. Whatever technology we are going to place at the date of exhibition, all six technology is growth oriented technology. You learn this technology at the stage of your 11th, 12th, or even 8th, 9th, 10th. And when you cross your 12th, you can move towards engineering. At that time, you should take a decision where you are going to move further. So this all six technologies only sitting in your mind, and when you conclude which technology you need to move, you go with electric vehicle, solar, 3D printing, robotics, all technology we are seeing at the day of exhibition. There is a segment three-wheeler, two-wheeler, and auto rickshaw. Then financial year, you can see the growth in 2020 from it is 2,814 in financial 2021 is more. But when you see the growth of two-wheeler and three-wheeler is going to reduce from 20 to 21. It is only because of COVID. If COVID is not there, then this number is also going to change. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we move ahead.
Clear.
Now, component of electric vehicle. What are the basic component and what is the market of that component? In a two-wheeler,
Yes.
three-wheeler, four-wheeler, or even bus, there is a electric motor market. It need electric motor. It need a battery. It need a power electronics. It need a charging station. So these are basic four component which is needed to run any electric vehicle technology. Motor, then battery, then power electronics, that is a controller, and after that charging station. So the opportunity in manufacturing of electric motor, manufacturing of battery, manufacturing of all electric electronics components, and finally all electric vehicle need a charging station. Nowadays we are having very low charging station. Because of that, there is a very big opportunity in India to develop different types of charging stations. Now India is standing in a world position. If you see, Norway is having 13% of car in their country. In Iceland, Netherlands, Sweden, China, and at India, we are very lowest point. We are only using 0.07 percentage of vehicle in India. So you easily understand we are not costing even 0.1%. So very big opportunity when you came to your engineering. At that time, I think we just crossed 1%. The population of India is 140 crore, and only 0.1% are taken. So very big opportunity is waiting for you. So now a time to move towards electric vehicle technology. Okay. Key players of the electric vehicle technology. So here we see who are the key player in the electric vehicle technology. These are key players in India who are going to control and run electric vehicle, that is Maruti Suzuki, Exide, Ashok Leyland, Greaves Cotton Limited, Mahindra, Aditya Birla, and Hindustan Copper Limited. They are major player in electric vehicle technology. Now you can see, just take 2 minutes and see all company name and what is the ranking and where which companies is there. Values shown in this are in dollar. There is a, you know about Tesla. The Tesla, which is a company of Elon Musk, having a major role player in electric vehicle technology. They are now number one in the position. Second one is Audi, that is e-tron. Third, Jaguar I-Pace. Mercedes Benz electric vehicle is there in market. BMW i3 model is there in electric vehicle. Nissan Leaf is there. Kia Motor having e-Nitro. Hyundai at Kona, and again Tesla have their Model 3. Renault had their electric vehicle in market. So these are the key player in electric vehicle technology. These are the charging station made from Tesla, and the major market now for electric vehicle technology is manufacturing and installation of a charging station. So electric vehicle infrastructure hurdles. There is many hurdles in development of electric vehicle. In that vehicle, 30% vehicle on road to be electrified by 2030. So when we see the challenges in electric vehicle, the rate of coming on road electric vehicle is very low in India. Then 16,000 crore unit increase in power demand. When we electric vehicle came in market, then load from petrol and diesel is transferred to electricity. So there is a power generation, lack of power generation is there, and demand of power supply is very low, and along with the charging station is till not installed. So this is the basic hurdle came in electric vehicle infrastructure. The electricity demand and grid capacity. So here you can see there is a demand and supply. So there is always demand is heavy, and supply is low. So along with the development of electric vehicle, we also work on supply grids capacity supply to give electricity to each and every vehicles. Impact on electricity demand and grid. As I say, as the electric vehicle increases in our country, the load on the grid is going to increase. So we also go with non-conventional source of energy, that is the solar and wind power, to compensate the power demand for electric vehicle. Otherwise, what is happening? The supply is given to industry and household, that will be diverted towards electric vehicle, and people are facing load shedding type of problem when maximum capacity of electric vehicle came in India. So it is a need of generation of non-conventional source of energy in our country, so we can compensate and balance the supply and demand. So now the conclusion of this seminar is we move towards electric vehicle to reduce pollution, to increase maximum number of electric vehicle at our country. Along with we need different type of power source, that is a non-conventional source of energy through solar or wind. So we should balance the supply and demand. We should promote electric vehicle technology in our society. Then only then we are going to reduce pollution in our country. So this is some government policies are there. Some major companies are coming to develop electric vehicle technology. So these are a basic requirement and understanding of electric vehicle. I will show you one another slide. In that we understand what are the components are going to use to manufacture electric vehicle. Okay, all of you understand the basic of electric vehicle technology.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I will show in a core part how the electric vehicle industry uses components. Now we are move towards some components, so it will be very easy to understand. So you can uh, s- able to see the my screen. Hello, are you able to see the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, this is the basic charge controller of a electric vehicle. The major part in electric vehicle is first electric motor. After that, second one is battery, third controller, and fourth is your harnessing system. So I will show practical photos of that. My screen is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
So I will show you electric vehicle motor. You can see these are the brushless hub motor. In that electricity is converted into mechanical energy which can drive the vehicle. So there are hub motor that is directly placed in your wheelbase, and tire is directly mounted on this rim. So you can see there are different type of hub motor is available here. At the time of a seminar, we bring one hub motor to show how it look like. Then this is a small hub motor which is used in a two-wheeler cycle. That is small cycle uses this type of tire and hub motor assembly. Then I will show you one of the smallest electric vehicle motor. Everyone see this motor?
No, sir.
The size of this motor is only which is a wheel of a skateboard, and this motor is skateboard motor. When you replace your skateboard with this motor, then that motor will be directly driven by battery. So just you stay on that skateboard and just press one button. It will take a battery power, and your vehicle will be moved. So in the electric vehicle technology, you can made any size of driving system, but in the engine there is a many complexities is there. So this motor is useful for driving the electric skateboard. I will show you. Anyone say what is this vehicle name? Are you seen any time this is this type of vehicle? Anyone say what is the name of this vehicle? Hello? In many picture you had seen this, na? Anyone know what is the name of this vehicle? Hello?
Sorry, God.
Hello? Anyone know what is the
Sir,
name?
image is not visible.
Image is not visible. 1 minute. Now you can see the image. Hello? 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 It is visible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Please reply if it is visible
Yes,
or
sir.
not
Sir,
visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is called a Segway, and this is a two-wheeler. Only two wheels are there, and people just stand on that. It is a self-balancing vehicle which is run on battery and electricity. There is one gyroscope is there. The application of gyroscope is balancing the whole electric vehicle. You can see these are the one of my friends' factory at Rabale. They are in the business of selling electric cycle, electric two-wheeler, Segway, and cost of one Segway is around 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees. These are some hub motor which is placed at their showroom. Hello?
I
Yeah, there is some net problem. Is there?
Hello.
Yeah, I guess he has a.
Sure.
Hello.
Yeah. Now you can see the display. Are you able
हाँ,
to see the screen?
Samir sir is facing some.
No, that is the reason I guess students are not able to see picture. Not hello.
हाँ sir, he has heard you.
Hello.
Hello.
अच्छा. Okay.
हाँ,
नहीं, just to convey. That's to convey.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हम्म.
Yes, sir, please.
You are able to see the screen, na?
No sir, the screen is still. हाँ, now it's visible. हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah, this is a conversion kit. This is a conversion kit of a Wagoner petrol based vehicle into electric vehicle. If you have any old Wagoner, then by replacing engine, we can put. You can see this is a electric vehicle motor. Then it is a air condition system. This is a steering system. All that system will be run by electricity. So just we are using chassis of a Wagoner. All mechanical component which is run on petrol or diesel will be replaced with this one, and your old vehicle will be converted into electric vehicle using electric vehicle components. This is a charge controller and power booster in electric vehicle technology. So these are the basic component which is needed for developing electric vehicle. Now I will show you one.
Samir sir is facing some.
No, that is the reason I guess students are not able to see picture. Not hello.
हाँ sir, he has heard you.
Hello.
Hello.
अच्छा. Okay.
हाँ,
नहीं, just to convey. That's to convey.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हम्म.
Yes, sir, please.
You are able to see the screen, na?
No sir, the screen is still. हाँ, now it's visible. हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah, this is a conversion kit. This is a conversion kit of a Wagoner petrol based vehicle into electric vehicle. If you have any old Wagoner, then by replacing engine, we can put. You can see this is a electric vehicle motor. Then it is a air condition system. This is a steering system. All that system will be run by electricity. So just we are using chassis of a Wagoner. All mechanical component which is run on petrol or diesel will be replaced with this one, and your old vehicle will be converted into electric vehicle using electric vehicle components. This is a charge controller and power booster in electric vehicle technology. So these are the basic component which is needed for developing electric vehicle. Now I will show you one slide in that we are able to understand here. One minute. Yeah, you are able to see this slide. Hello. Hello.
No, sir, the slide is.
1 minute. Now the slide is visible.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wait, I again share the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Network. एक काम करा, हॉटस्पॉट क्रिएट कर. तर ते हे पण बंद होतो का त्यामुळे? 1 minute. हे बंद करावं लागेल मला वायफाय. ऑटो ऑटो पासवर्ड लागेल त्याला. पासवर्ड लागेल मला. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Network issue is there. I just connect another network. I had shared the slide. Are you visible this slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it visible, na? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I will show you. You can see working of electric vehicle. Hello.
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah.
visible.
Yes, sir.
There is a two different method of running electric vehicle. In that, basic components are motor, controller, charger, and battery. These are four most important components in electric vehicle technology. Here you can see there is a two system in right side. One is a DC motor and another is a AC motor. So in a DC motor, there is a potentiometer which can control DC current, and there is a battery, DC controller, and DC motor. What is happening in that term? The electricity is stored in battery, and with the help of accelerator, that is a potentiometer, we can change the capacity of DC controller, and controlled electricity will flow in DC motor and it will run the car. But in the disadvantage of DC motor is it will consume more current than AC motor because it is a direct current base. So nowadays we are using AC motor in our electric vehicle technology, and battery from battery we can convert that DC current into AC current. In that we are having a 12-volt battery. There is a charger, controller, AC motor, and number of batteries which is connected inside of a vehicle. So nowadays, brushless hub motor are going to use to run electric vehicle in place of a DC motor. There are basically three type of electric vehicle. One is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Second one is extended range electric vehicle, and third one is a battery electric vehicle. So there is three different types of electric vehicle available in market. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the electric motor and IC engine are combined. That is, it will be run on both electricity and petrol. The electric range is 10 to 40 miles, and it will maximum blended electric or gas at a higher speed. 2 to 9 kilowatt power is generated by this type of vehicle. Extended range electric vehicle, in that electric vehicle with extended range, all electric, so for 40 to 30 miles, and gas generated for 300 plus miles. There is a one example is a Cherry Volt car which is run on extended range electric vehicle. And there is a pure battery electric vehicle. In that the range of electric vehicle on the base of battery is 80 to 300, and in that there is a zero emission, and the power strength is more than this two type of electric vehicle. First and second is basically hybrid type, where gas is going to use to run the vehicle with a battery, and last one battery electric vehicle, it is completely run on battery. There is no engine inside the battery. There is a comparison of parameter: energy, price, pollution, running cost, number of component, maintenance cost, and infrastructure. So in electric vehicle technology and conventional vehicle, this is the most important slide, because when people came at exhibition, they are commonly asked this type of question: what is the price difference, what is the energy consumption, which type of fuel they are going to use. So first parameter is energy from electricity produced by battery. So in electric vehicle, the energy is produced by electricity which is stored in battery, but in a conventional vehicle we are using consumable combustion fuel for running our vehicle. When we go for price parameter, then price of a electric vehicle is higher than conventional petrol or diesel based electric vehicle. But in future, as the technology is going to improve, the cost of electric vehicle also came down. Pollution: electric vehicle doesn't create any harmful emission and contribute in clean environment, but conventional vehicle will create a large amount of pollution which is going to affect health of human beings. Then running cost: as electric vehicle initial cost is high, but running cost is 1.5 rupees per kilometer. In place of diesel, it will be 4 to 4.5 rupees per kilometer. Petrol, its cost is 6.5 rupees per kilometer, or even when we go with CNG, then cost of running per kilometer is 3 to 3.5. So there is obviously, it is a running cost for 25 years is very low than any other conventional vehicle. So you see the number of component comparison, that is a major component in electric vehicle is only 30, and in a conventional vehicle which is run on petrol or diesel, the number of component are 3000. So only 1/10 components are used. Only 1% component are used in electric vehicle as compared to conventional vehicle. Maintenance, as a number of component is very low, then cost of maintenance is also very low. And again, infrastructure. So for electric vehicle, there is a continuous process of developing infrastructure, but for conventional, already petrol pumps are set. That petrol pumps are now going to convert it into electric vehicle charging station in future. lithium ion battery, the most important component in electric vehicle technology. Till the batteries are not developed from 1887, the vehicle, electric vehicle is not move in any other country. But when we had developed battery system, their charging capacity, time to take charge, weight of the battery. So this is a photo you see. This is a lithium battery. The small cells are there which are connected to series and parallel and combining one battery bank. And that battery bank just like a power bank you are using for charging mobile. When you open that power bank, you can see there is a 3.7 volt small battery
Vikal sir.
Yes, yes, madam. Hello, hello, hello. Are you able to?
Yes, it's visible. It's
Hello.
visible to me.
Can you continue?
Sir,
You anyone having any problem?
the slide isn't changing. It's on the first slide.
Maybe
Yes, sir.
because of network issue, some slides are not being
Yeah, yeah. One minute.
rotated, I guess. है ना, वैसे हो रहा है.
I will reconnect. Reconnect. Now you able to see the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a slide for lithium ion battery, which is a
Yes, sir.
most important component in electric vehicle technology. The motor is already invented, but after development of a lithium ion battery, the cost of battery is low, the weight of battery is low, it will take very low space, but power storage density of lithium ion battery is very high. So only because of this battery, now we are able to see electric vehicle on road. The lithium is abundantly available in the world. The battery can be recycled. So this battery, advantage of lithium battery, it can be recycled. The range of lithium ion battery will be from 200 kilometer to 300 kilometer. Even some company are targeting to run electric vehicle for 500 kilometer in single charge. So it will take a low time to charge battery as compared to lead acid battery. Nowadays in our vehicle, or even we are using lead acid battery at our home for charging inverter. So when a lithium battery came in market, after that the revolution of electric vehicle is going on. Now from lithium ion battery, we are shifted to lithium phosphate battery. Again from lithium phosphate battery, we are shifted to manganese battery. And again from manganese based battery, we are shifted to silver ion based battery, which is currently very heavy cost. But as the technology is moved, the cost is also going to reduce. So this is a basic cycle of battery. Are you able to see second slide? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The challenges of electrification of vehicle. The integration of electric
Yes,
vehicle
sir.
with... Hello? Any problem are you facing? Hello? Hello? Are you able
No,
to
sir.
see?
No, sir, it is visible. It is visible, sir. Please
Visible,
proceed.
Okay, okay, okay. The challenges of challenges of electrification of a vehicle, that is integration of electric vehicle with the product profile of OEM. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. So in India, we are developing OEM. When we develop OEM, original equipment manufacturer in India, then cost of this technology and electric vehicle is going to down. Currently we are purchasing maximum component from out of India. The major player in the electric vehicle technology is China. some motor, controller, body, their electrical harnessing, all are currently coming from China. We just assemble here. So it is a need to develop a original equipment manufacturer in India. So we are going to reduce the cost of electric vehicle. Also, we need a collaboration with the e-mobility value chain. That means some Indonesia, Germany, US. We need to collaborate the technology with other country and bring them at India to set up a manufacturing facility. We also need a relevant charging infrastructure. The people are waiting. They are facing problem if there is no charging station, and by any reason our battery get drained or it is completely discharged. So people are also waiting for relevant charging infrastructure. When the charging infrastructure is sufficient in India, then people easily move from petrol based diesel based vehicle to electric vehicle. Marketing of e-mobility benefit and reducing customer anxiety. What is the problem? There is a lack of marketing and lack of awareness in electric vehicle. So we should, it is our responsibility to promote electric vehicle technology in India, and creating awareness, what is the benefit, what is the commercial benefit along with the benefit of environment. Also, the price is one of the main challenges for electrification of a vehicle, because if you are going to purchase Nexon, Tata Nexon, its cost is around 11 to 12 lakh rupees. But when you go for Tata Nexon electric mode, then its cost around 17 lakh rupees. So people are still awaiting low cost and good technology. The Tata Nexon electric will drive for 200 kilometer. That means if you are at Pune, then only one side you can move from Pune to Mumbai. But when you need to return, you should charge for 8 hours, or you are going to pay 400 to 500 rupees at a fast charging station. There is also some limitation in fast charging, in that if you go one fast charge, then you are compulsory 5 to 6 slow charging needed for battery life. If you continues go for fast charging, then life of battery is going to down, and replacement time is again come early, and it is very costly. So this is a basic challenges of electrification of vehicle. At the time of exhibition, people, when you promote electric vehicle, then all people are asking, why if the advantage of electric vehicle is so much, why people are not move towards electric vehicle. So these are the basic challenges. You should explain at that time that OEM, original equipment manufacturer, are not here. Collaboration with the e-mobility chain are not there. Relevant charging station is still in progress. Marketing and awareness is not there, the which show the benefit of electric mobility, and major part of is the cost for customer. So now cost for customer is a little bit high. So these are the basic challenges which are currently facing in electric vehicle industry. Price customer has to pay to live with an electric vehicle. So this is analysis of pricing. The price of EV is a big concern in India. That is one most challenge in electric vehicle, that is the price. Also, there are very few model available. One being Mahindra E2O, which is a very compact hatchback. Toyota and Tata Tigors are there in hatchback system. For the price of Mahindra E2O electric vehicle, customer can get a Mahindra Thar. So conventional four-wheel drive SUV is available in comparison to E2O. So people when go for purchasing vehicle, then they have two options. Either he go for E2O Mahindra, or he will at same price he will purchase Thar, which is a conventional four-wheel drive SUV. So for a show of they move towards Thar because same costing is there. But if they need to economical, then they go for E2O. So these are the price concerned with the customer. Tata Tigor EV cost around 11 lakh rupees and conventional car cost is 7 lakh rupees. So there is a difference of 4 lakh rupees. So what people think, we purchase a same Tata Tigor in petrol model, we are saving 4 lakh rupees, and they are going to calculate in 4 lakh rupees how much kilometer we move using 4 lakh rupees of petrol, and after that what is the break even of electric vehicle and conventional car. So many people are working on same psychology, purchasing Tata Tigor EV vehicle, or go simply with petrol and save 4 lakh rupees, and compare when it will be replaced. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Feedback from
Yes, sir.
Mahindra E20. The feedback given, some positive feedbacks are there, and some negative feedbacks also there. Mahindra E20 is a BEV, that is battery electric vehicle. It can go up to 100 kilometer within a full recharge time of 8 hour to 9 hour. That means when you charge 8 to 9 hour, it will be move only 100 kilometer. That means if you want to move from Pune to Mumbai, it is not possible by moving Mahindra E20 vehicle. So positive feedback is a great for driving in city. So low distance traveling, Mahindra E20 is feasible, eco-friendly. It doesn't generate any pollution, less maintenance issue, low risk of breakdown due to less moving part. But in a negative feedback point of view, low pickup. That means pickup of vehicle is low as compared to petrol vehicle. Price is too high. Battery life to be need improved to curb range and NXT. That means battery life is low. After sale service could not be an issue. So people need after sale service in electric vehicle technology. The benefit of driving electric drive, it save money. That means second, clean the air. Driving electric car save you more than 70% on your full fuel cost. When you are at exhibition, the benefit, the major benefit are four, which is here. That is save money. How much money you can save? 70% of money you can save on fuel. Clean the air. Driving electric means no tailpipe emission. That is, no silencer are there in electric vehicle, helping to preserve the environment. Fourth point is support energy independency. Fact is there, electricity is made from large domestic source, helping to reduce the dependency on origin oil. That means the fossil fuel we are taken from in the form of diesel and petrol, the dependency is 100% eliminated using electric vehicle. And last one is enjoy the ride. Electric vehicle owner tend to have a higher satisfaction level with their car compared to non-electric vehicle owner. When you drive or sit in electric vehicle, you feel very silence in inside, because there is no noise, very smooth driving is there. So the people take enjoy of the ride using electric vehicle. The electric vehicle charging infrastructure, there is a AC charging and there is a DC fast charging, two type of charging available at a charging station. The AC charging is a regular charging which can be taken from our house, but when we move towards long distance, DC fast charging is needed. But the limitation is when you charge one time, you need at least 4 to 5 cycle of AC slow charging, so that battery will be life of battery will be maintained. In level 1 we are charging time is 3 to 5. And in level 2 there are two type of charging available, but in DC fast charging the capacity is 4 kilowatt to 4 kilowatt up to 120 miles. And in other one it is 100 to 300 miles are there, and continuous developments going on electric vehicle charging system. The charging location more than 80% of residents and fleet charging is done at home. That means the people are purchasing electric vehicle. They had set up their charging station at their home or in their parking. Workplace charging is on the rise and support electric vehicle adoption. In this, some society are allowing to place electric charging station in their society, and some corporate also helping to their employees to set up electric vehicle charging, and now they are free charging for individual. So it will be promote public to purchase electric vehicle, and they can charge their electric vehicle at their workplace. Along with some public space are available where you can charge your electric vehicle at a very low cost. So common electric vehicle myths. The first myth, the plug-in electric vehicle can only support support short trip, not daily communicate. But what is the fact? The average is 40 miles or less, and most full battery electric vehicle are targeting to close 100 miles range on a full charge, and with plug-in hybrid electric vehicle you can go further up to 300 mile or more. That means in a hybrid vehicle you can run 100 kilometer using 100 miles using electricity, and additional 200 mile using your petrol. So these are common electric vehicle myths, and there is a myth and their facts are given here. Electric vehicle are far more expensive than average car. The fact is federal tax initiative are available up to say $7,500. So if government will support the people who are purchasing by means of subsidy, then cost will be reduced by 30%, and people easily get the vehicle in comparison of a petrol vehicle. Now it is a session is our completed. This is a question answer session. Anyone having their doubt, they can just type in a chat box. So one by one, we are going to answer all the question.
Students, if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. Sir is going to reply accordingly. Whatever it is, let it be a doubt other than what sir has presented, or if any other research that you have done. आपने अगर कुछ किया है and that is a doubt related to that, you are free
अभी
to ask, right, sir?
सभी को स्क्रीन विजिबल हो रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
या और साउंड भी क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
सो
Students,
आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में आपका क्वेश्चन डाल दीजिए, एंड we one by one we can solve each question. The first question is from Krish. Sir, what are the advantage of lithium battery? The advantage of lithium battery is it is size of battery is very small. The weight of battery is very low as compared to lead acid battery, and number of cycle, which is most important, that is it will run for 3000 cycle. That means in 3000 time you can charge and discharge this battery. After 3000 cycle, the efficiency of vehicle is going to down, and 3000 cycle means you can just divide 3000 by 365 days. That means life of that battery is around 9 to 10 years. But when we go for lead acid batteries, the life cycle of lead acid battery is only 200 to 300. That means it will run for only 4 to 5 years, and after 5 years you need to replace that battery. So this is the advantage of a lithium ion battery. Size is small, weight is low, power storage density is very high, and number of life cycle is at least 10 times more than electric regular lead acid battery. Second question from Soham, that is how does a charge controller work? So application of charge controller is to control current and voltage. So basically two electric component parameter is most important in electric vehicle technology, that one is a current and second one is voltage. So what is happening in our home, we are having a 230 volt electric supply, and electric vehicle need sometime DC supply, or sometime in fast charger there is a AC supply. So charge controller is going to control current and voltage. So the BMS in a battery system, that is called battery management system. The battery management system will take current and voltage from charge controller, and required current and voltage only taken from charge controller to charge battery. If we are not going to use charge controller and we directly plug with system, it will be damage your battery completely. Amog is there. He is asking, sir, can you explain difference between lithium ion battery and lithium sulfate battery? It is not lithium sulfate. It is the lithium phosphate battery. In the lithium ion battery, there is only component of lithium is there, but in the lithium phosphate battery, we are adding phosphate in that. So by adding phosphate, the charging chemical composition is going to change. And what is happening in lithium, adding lithium phosphate, the life cycle of lithium phosphate battery goes around 4,000 to 5,000. The number of cycle is going to increase, and one of the best application of using lithium phosphate is it is a explosion proof. If in case of any accident or any heating, the battery never get blasted. It is just puncture, and whatever liquid lithium phosphate, it will be drain out. But in case of lithium battery, if any overheating is there, or any puncture or any minor accident goes on, then at that time what is happening, it will be blast. So now all electric vehicle company come up with the lithium phosphate battery. uh, uh, Vaishnav Pawar asking, sir, as you said that the price is increasing of electric vehicle, but it use on fifth part, fifth part of the normal vehicle, and they cost less than electric. So why this happen? Very good question. If number of component is less in electric vehicle, that is one fifth, then why cost of electric vehicle is more than petrol vehicle? Okay, what is happening? The petrol vehicle industry is already set, and the component which is needed more, but as a continuous improvement, they are going to reduce cost of all component. But in electric vehicle, the major cost is battery. If we divide that electric vehicle, the body is a common part in electric vehicle, and body, tire, suspension, base, all are common component in both electric vehicle and petrol based vehicle. But major cost is of battery. The battery cost is around 70% of total vehicle. If you see Tata Nexon, then cost of battery is around total cost is 17 lakh rupees. In that, around 10 lakh rupees cost is only for battery. So because of battery cost, the cost of electric vehicle is more than conventional petrol diesel based vehicle. Even number of components are less. Okay, you understand? Hello? Are you understand? Hello?
Vaishnav, you there? Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Yeah. Anyone having some other question? Because we have having 15 minute more time. So please ask
Anyone still
questions.
has any questions?
Because what is happening when you stay at exhibition 28, 29, many people came there, they ask you multiple question. So you should ready with all that question. Any question you have in your mind, which is simple or complicated, you can simply ask. I am trying to.
Sir, there is one question. There is one question asked by Krish.
Okay, Krish, sir, there are no charging station in India. If we are stuck in middle of the road, how can we charge right there? Okay, what is happening? There is a continuous charging station are going to develop in electric vehicle. What is happening when we drive electric vehicle? We our travel should be planned. That means you already before driving your vehicle, you should know where are the charging station. Now there is a mini app in Play Store where you can just click and find out where the charging stations are there, and as per charging station you can plan your journey. Currently electric vehicle is not suitable for long journey, because either you go for fast charging, then after one fast charging there is a four slow charging is needed. So in the range of I think 300 kilometer is more than enough for to and fro movement. That means you charge your vehicle and run for 150 to 100 kilometer. Then either you stay there and charge a whole electric vehicle in night, and again next morning you return back. Or second option is there, if you need to return back on same day. They're just like Mumbai to Pune or Pune to Nashik. At that time you charge your electric vehicle at your home, and you go for one fast charging for a return back. Can you easily repair an electric engine, EV engine, as can be done with a normal engine? So first is it is not a EV engine, it is a EV electric vehicle motor, which is a replacement of a normal engine. So the electric vehicle repairing is now a day only done at a authorized service center, because the mechanic available in current day, they are not updated themselves to repair electric vehicle. The whatever electrical component are there, there is a scanner is there which can attach to your dashboard, and it will show the faults in that. So heavy costly equipment is needed, which is not currently available with mechanic. So when mechanic get updated and they get educated, then the problem of repairing on the road will be solved. Otherwise nowadays it is a simple method. You just drop your car, call a service center person. He will take tochen the electric vehicle and bring at a service center. So currently the vehicle are new, it is under warranty. So it is a headache of a company to give the service. But after a 3 to 5 year, the people get trained, and after that they are going to repair ongoing journey. Any any more question from student side?
Students, any other questions?
Please
Please
ask
ask.
what is happening. I am coming on Saturday to your school with some electric vehicle component, that is motor, accelerator, transmission, controller. So at that day, you easily visualize that component. But before that, there is some homework all of for all of you. You all go through at least 20 to 25 videos on YouTube. You just write down what topic you should see in YouTube. First, you can type uh, types of electric vehicle available in industry. Then how electric motor work, how the transmission of electric vehicle system work, that is battery, from battery how the power is transmitted to controller, and from where how it is transmitted to electric motor, and from there whatever the transmission. So how, what is the working of electric vehicle, you should see 4 to 5 video, so you easily understand how electric vehicle run. Then you go for acceleration circuit. There is one Hall effect sensor. You write down the name, Hall effect sensor. It is a very simple sensor, but very much important in electric vehicle technology. When we accelerate the vehicle, then at that time Hall effect sensor will ensure that your vehicle should move forward direction, and that three sensors are inside the acceleration unit. So you write down Hall effect, HALL, Hall effect sensor. So you see what is the application of Hall effect sensor in electric vehicle technology. Again, there is a some circuits are using in electric vehicle, because all the equipment run on a 12-volt DC supply, but electric vehicle run on 72 or 90 volt. So battery will generate electricity at 90 volt, and motor and all things are run on 90 volt, but headlight, your speaker, USB charge, that are run on 12-volt supply. So there is one converter is there which can convert 90 volt to 12-volt DC. It is a step down type of voltage regulator. So all equipment inside will run on DC 12-volt. For that we need this type of converter. Again, there is winding. Different type of winding are on motor, armature, and stator. So you go and look what is armature in electric vehicle technology, what is stator in electric vehicle technology, which type of winding is going to there, and after that how all electrical connection is done in electric vehicle. So there is a thousand of questions are there related to electric vehicle. And when you go through Google, you just type of frequently asked question in relation with electric vehicle, then you can find there is a multiple questions are there. Along with that question, they are giving you answer also. So there is a question is also and answer is also. So you go through that FAQ, frequently asked question, by any individual in relation with the electric vehicle. So it is very easy for you. Just take your mobile, start YouTube, and type frequently asked question related to electric vehicle. So thousand of question and answer you can get from electric vehicle on YouTube. Okay. Now we are going to conclude today electric vehicle session. I request some of student to conclude the session, and whatever you learn today in 2 hours, whatever you learn, you can just summarize it in 2 to 3 lines. So I request all of our students, one by one, they can come and conclude the session, please.
Students, you can unmute yourself and just brief out whatever you have understood in this session. Okay, whatever is your understanding, that's it. One by one, chalo.
I need you should speak what is happening at the time of exhibition. You are a presenter in there. We are only supporter, and we stand by near you, but we are not interfere in your communication. So whatever you understand, you start speaking. If you are not start speaking, our exhibition get failed. So whatever you understand, just talk. No one can shoot if you are talking in anyway. Okay.
Whatever you have understood, whatever you have understood, not necessary it should be very technical or something
Right.
like that. whatever you have understood in your own language even. आप अगर हिंदी में comfortable हो, go
कोई
with that.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं
If
सर,
you're
कोई
comfortable
आप
with
हिंदी में
English, go
बताइए,
with it.
मराठी में बताइए, इंग्लिश में बताइए, आपको बोलना
No
जो
issue.
ज्यादा आप
Yeah.
बोलोगे नहीं तो फिर चलेगा
Speak
नहीं।
out.
प्लीज।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very
Hello,
right. Yes.
hello, Sami sir.
यस सर।
Yes,
Yes.
sir. I would like to conclude that what I understood today. So today,
Yeah.
at the first, you made us understand that how electric vehicles are the future of our global city, and how we should replace our fuel like old engines and all that things to electrical, and how we can modernize our daily living. Like for example, how we can use electric vehicles and other electrical things as in our daily to daily things, and how the electric vehicles should have a future in our upcoming period, and how the electric vehicles should be made and how it should be distributed and sale across the globe, that people so that people get interested in this topic.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एनीवन मोर कैन एक्सप्लेन? हेलो।
Yes, sure,
I
please. Very
think
good. Very good.
I
Good
think
attempt.
that
Yes, Rom.
EVs are the future in India, especially because of the high pollution. And as we are still developing, we need to maintain our pollution standards up to the like what the world is demanding of us. And EVs are going to be very important in that. I also learned the basic components of an EV, like the brushless motor and charge controller, and how we can produce more EVs and the sales that are associated with that.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
Very good, Som. Anyone from
एनीवन?
grade 9?
Just you speak,
Yes, sir.
not needed to you talk
Yes, sir.
specific. Yeah, please.
Please proceed.
As EV is a technology that is developing in the daily life, is helping our nature to be eco-friendly. And I conclude that in today's session, we learned that what are the advantages of EVs and what are the factor affecting EVs.
Okay, very
Good.
good. Anyone?
Anyone
I
else?
conclude that in today's session we learn about the batteries that is used in EVs and the components. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. You, what you
Good.
do, all of you who are in the exhibition point of view, you just stand in front of mirror and just you practice and understand where you go wrong, or you do one thing, you place your mobile on a stand and in front of mobile you can sit and talk any on any topic, so you easily understand what mistake you are doing, because in exhibition or any other function, your body language, your voice and your communication skill plays a very important role. So you should practice in front of mirror or just shoot yourself using your camera and find out where is a mistake is going on. So it will improve your communication and presentation at any occasion. So I request to sir to conclude this session and we
Yes.
close the session, please.
Yes, yes, sir. Any other questions from the student side? Students, any other
No,
questions?
sir, no questions.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. I hope all your understandings, whatever you had knew about electric vehicles till date, must have directly added by sir's session. And on behalf of our complete student side, the Cambridge International School and Junior College, I thank Vikal sir. Vikal sir, thank you so much. The session was really informative. It was full of I will say a sort of an initiative of how we can actually take this generation which is now developing their careers, etc., more into electrical section, because that is definitely the need of our, right sir?
Right, right.
So how we actually need an initiative, so you are giving that initiative to the students, and we are really waiting for you to come to our school because we really want to meet you. At the same time, we would also like to see whatever you have told us, you have shown us with the help of pictures and everything. So we are really eager to see that in practical, and we would really love to have a work hands-on also on those components,
Yeah, we
right,
can
sir?
do one.
And even the students are very eager to have hands-on on this all new technology, all this new equipments, which not everyone is getting an exposure of, right?
Right.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank
We are really waiting for you, and I thank you from the complete TCIS group. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.